on in.
Hi there, you can leave the package outside. Thanks.
Hello? Can I help you?
Are you ready for this? Let's do this!
The ADT Video Doorbell camera takes crystal clear HD images, not distorted. You can view the images live from anywhere, all within the ADT app. Come on, let me in. It can also record footage so that you can go back and check the feed. Two-way audio is great because you can talk through the app in real time. Drew, there's something in your teeth. And one big advantage with ADT is that you can check that your door is locked and your system's armed all in one app if you see a suspicious visitor. I'm telling Mom. And it's backed by 24/7 monitoring from the most trusted name in security, ADT.
With SimpliSafe's Video Doorbell Pro, you'll know if the person at your door is friend or foe. Or just a late-night cheese pizza with extra meatballs, in which case, it could be both. With my smart lock, I can let him in. Entrez-vous. And I can lock up from right here. Same time tomorrow. So take it from an expert. Get SimpliSafe and protect home like a pro.
Hello?
Hello! Hello, you guys. I see you behind the plant.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Oh my God, she's adorable!
Hello, got your package?
You can just leave it. Thanks.
Hello? Can I help you?
Hello?
Hello, Tommy?
Hello? Hello?
Hello!
Hello, I got your pizza?
Hello?
Hello!
A lot happens at your front door. With a Ring Video Doorbell, you'll never miss a visitor.
Hi, Shelly. You home?
You know what? I'm at the store. I'll be there in like 10 minutes.
Hello? Oh, hey, thought I missed you. Got a couple packages for you. Oh, great. Can you put it around back, please?
Anytime, from anywhere, Ring keeps you connected to the things that matter most.
Hi, Mom.
Hey, you guys. Text me what you want for dinner.
Okay.
Home security starts at your front door. The Ring Video Doorbell features HD video, two-way talk, and customizable motion detection, which alerts you when anyone steps onto your property.
Hi there, what can I do for you?
Is this 217 Pine Street?
No, I think you're in the wrong place.
Sorry.
Ring puts home security in your hands and makes it easy to watch over your property. With the Ring Video Doorbell, you're always home.